So yesterday it was all about waiting for FOMC, 7 p.m. London time. Okay, so yesterday was so quiet in the morning session in the golden hour London time. I decided to just do one trade and then stop trading for the whole day. I went and played some golf, and then in the evening time I was waiting then for FOMC. So that is all about interest rate decision out of the Fed, out of the US. And so I love to trade the markets. I placed a sell stop order and I shorted the Swissy yen and the pound yen. Now, I was watching the Champions League football semi-finals when this all kicked off. I had the TV there on the right-hand side, one with the Fed announcement and one with the semi-finals on. And I placed an order. So I placed an order at 171.14. I actually got filled at 171.12. I was short, what was that, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pounds short on the Swissy yen. It's a decent sized moving market. The yen, guys, quite volatile. And I also had some trades on with the British pound against the Japanese yen, but it was the Swissy yen which made the 1200 here. So let me just show you what I did. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame, and I love trading off the 4-hour chart using 5 minutes for entries. And you can see here it was red pro trend system and red tracks before the announcement. Now all day it stayed red. All day. So what I did, I actually drilled down to a 1-hour time frame. I put a sell stop order right here. The price was trading above it, okay? So it was right in this area here, the price, pretty much all day. My order was here. It's a sell stop order, not a buy stop or a sell limit. If it's a sell limit and I wanted to short, it'd be up here. This would be a sell stop, so it would put me in a short position if it broke through. It did that. It did that. It literally broke through. So news followed the actual pro trend system signal. The signal was there first and then news followed. It happens all the time. Just ask our students for the morning move and they'll show you pro trend system, this candlestick here, system, changing color before the morning move actually opens. So I put my order in here. I'm literally looking at my then charts and then my account, and I'm up £1,000 in the trade. Okay, literally of this one candlestick. The pro trend system signaled the short signal before the news come out, and my stop was at the swing high up here, and literally it collapsed. Okay, we see that a lot with news announcements, the system firing off way before. So it was a very interesting day yesterday. It's not like this morning where we've already gone and made some money and it's sort of midday. The morning move is over. Yesterday was all about just being patient, not trading the choppy, sloppy markets that we had throughout global markets yesterday, waiting for FOMC. And then it was all about getting involved in some of the action in the evening time. And as a day trader, I'm looking to make money as quick as possible in the morning time, up till like 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning. I want to be done by then. But the other way yesterday was different. It was in the evening I made money. In the morning I just did one trade and made like about $60, and that was about it. All right, nothing at all. Money was all made yesterday evening, and I still closed the trade off yesterday evening. All right, guys, hope it helps. These markets are hotting up, and there has never been a better time for these markets to roll over and see some serious volatility. Okay, and I think it is a great opportunity. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, or if you're watching this on YouTube, to get all the best content to your phone. Otherwise, guys, I'll speak to you soon. Take care.